On behalf of Simoniz, the world leader in automotive surface protection, congratulations on your new vehicle. For more than 100 years, we've been at the forefront of automotive finish preservation and enhancement. That tradition of excellence continues today with Simoniz GlassCoat, our professionally installed, commercial-grade paint and interior protection system that's only available from authorized Simoniz vehicle dealerships. GlassCoat paint protectant is the most unique and durable surface treatment in the world. It's also guaranteed to perform and backed by a warranty that protects your vehicle's resale value and could save you thousands. Think of GlassCoat paint protectant as a second clear coat, because it is. Results from independent laboratory tests prove that GlassCoat can withstand over 5,000 scrubbings and 7 years of weather exposure with virtually no finish erosion. That's because when GlassCoat is applied, it chemically reacts with your vehicle's paint, creating a permanent and extraordinarily deep ceramic barrier. A GlassCoat treatment can actually increase the glossiness and thickness of your vehicle's paint by as much as 10%, providing everlasting protection from environmental conditions such as UV rays, bird droppings, tree sap, insects, hard water, acid rain, and more. GlassCoat is such a revolutionary product that it was even featured on TV's Modern Marvels in an episode focusing on cutting-edge surface protection technology and GlassCoat's ability to preserve the value of consumers' vehicles. While GlassCoat paint protectant protects your vehicle's exterior, GlassCoat interior protectant protects your interior upholstery, carpet, floor mats, and cargo areas from fading and discoloration, stains from food, beverages, makeup, and more, as well as an array of other messes caused by pets, children, and daily life. Simoniz GlassCoat provides scientifically proven surface protection and warrants your vehicle's paint and interior. And, should your paint or interior need repair under our warranty, you'll enjoy a zero deductible, as well as a free rental car while those repairs are being performed. To learn more about GlassCoat, see your dealer representative, but don't leave your vehicle, or yourself, exposed without it.